Hey, what's up, guys? Today we are going to be talking about something really important in the world of software development, CI/CD. Now, I know what you're thinking. CI/CD, what does it even mean? Well, let me tell you, it's something that can really make or break your development process. And I've seen my fair share of challenges when it comes to implementing CI/CD. But before we start this video, please subscribe to AquaCloud YouTube channel where we share videos on QA management and testing weekly. First of all, let's break it down. CI stands for continuous integration and CD stands for continuous delivery or deployment. These are processes that are used to automate the building, testing, and deployment of software changes, so you can get your product out to users as quickly and efficiently as possible. But as with anything in software development, there are always challenges to overcome. So today I want to talk about the 4 top CI/CD challenges and how you can solve them. The first and one of the biggest challenges has been infrastructure scaling. As your pipeline grows, the infrastructure supporting it must handle the increased load. But fear not. Here are some of the hardest scalability challenges and solutions for them. Resource utilization. While your pipeline is expanding, it can become challenging to allocate resources efficiently. But have no fear, because technologies like Docker or Kubernetes are here to optimize resource usage. Secondly, performance issues can arise when scaling your pipeline. To tackle this, conduct load testing to identify performance bottlenecks and optimize the pipeline accordingly. Finally, security concerns are a vital consideration when scaling your pipeline. As the pipeline grows, so does the risk of security breaches. It is essential to ensure that all pipeline components, including third-party tools and services, are appropriately secured. Second pitfall I faced is dealing with test automation. Some of the common challenges include test case maintenance, creating effective test scripts, integrating automation tools with other pipeline tools, and managing the test environment. To overcome these challenges, CI/CD engineers should have a robust plan and strategy for test automation, including using appropriate tools, regularly updating and maintaining test cases and scripts, and ensuring seamless integration with other pipeline tools. If you want to streamline your software testing processes and improve the quality of your software, consider using Aqua. Its advanced management features and user-friendly interface can help you manage testing tasks efficiently and get quick and accurate results. Whether you're a software developer, QA professional, or project manager, AquaCloud can save you time, reduce costs, and enhance the quality of your software. The third challenge is security. Security challenges can be tackled by implementing secure coding practices, conducting regular security testing, and performing vulnerability assessments. While implementing secure coding practices can be challenging, it is essential to integrate them into the development process and balance them with new feature delivery. Regular security testing can be time-consuming, but it is necessary to detect and fix vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. Vulnerability assessments should also be performed regularly to ensure potential security risks are identified and addressed. To overcome these challenges, it's essential to have a well-planned and coordinated deployment process in place. The fourth and the final challenge is monitoring in a CI/CD pipeline. Monitoring is crucial for ensuring that software runs smoothly after deployment, especially for complex systems or applications deployed across multiple environments. However, there are similar challenges to monitoring in a CI/CD pipeline. For example, difficulties in identifying issues in complex distributed systems, ensuring consistency across multiple environments, and so on. To fully reap the benefits of CI/CD pipelines, it's important to acknowledge and overcome the challenges they present. By identifying and addressing these challenges, teams can ensure the smooth and efficient operation of their CI/CD processes, leading to the timely delivery of high-quality software. Thus, understanding these challenges and implementing effective solutions is crucial for maximizing the potential of CI/CD pipelines. To learn more about the last CI/CD challenge and its solution, check out our article linked in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Thank you for watching, and bye!